Everything you see on the internet, say a video, an advertisement, a social media post, or just a product description, everything somehow is connected to a content writer. After all, you need someone to write scripts and the copies. In comes a content writer. There are plenty of content writers, but the thing which distinguishes them is their knowledge of their topic, their writing styles, wit, acumen, and knowledge of SEO. To be a content writer, you do not need a specific degree or particular background to step up the ladder, but you need to be good with some basics. Good at grammar. Interested in deep research. If yes, you're welcome to be a super successful content writer. Let me give you a direction though. Before writing any piece of content, take care of the following things. 1. Start with research. Never write without knowing the topic at hand inside out. Identify your aim, whether it's to drive traffic or get subscription and sales. Write accordingly. You must also understand your target audience and write for them. 2. Always be on point with your grammar. No one wants to read bad English. Use the tools like Grammarly to track your grammatical errors. A little bad job at grammar can drag away your audience. 3. Know your keywords. Do you know how your audience reach your post? It's through the use of keywords in them. You need to be clear. Your fact's about finding the best keywords for everything that you write. Not only in your blog post, even with your video marketing, your keywords matter. 4. Learn the art of creating awesome subheadings. The subheading should be self-descriptive about the content encapsulated under it. They make your content a lot more digestible and keep the reader glued to your write-up. Write, erase, and rewrite your subheadings till you're sure about them. 5. Edit, edit, edit. Do a thorough revision through your content to make sure that you are not missing any given point, or maybe you've made a mistake. The more you edit, the better your writing will be. How to start content writing? Start with writing your own personal blogs, and that's where you'll become a market-ready content writer. Drive your ambitions to the real world by upscaling your skills. Read, read, and read. Only through reading will your writing improve. And if you want your keyword research skills on point, check out the link in the description.